Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you know, if you have been watching my videos, I bought the Jeffree Star X Shane Dawson palette, which is this, if you don't know. And I thought today I'll actually come up with kind of like a Christmassy kind of look, but I'm not still sure what should I call the look, because it's gonna be kind of like a smoky eye, Christmassy kind of look. But we'll see at then how it turns out and how it's gonna look. So I'll stop talking and we'll just get on with the video. Okay, so I'm back. If I'm looking down on my knees, that's because my palette is there, and sorry if it bothers you, but okay, so I have done my base off camera, like all my foundation, everything like that. So because I realized my videos are a bit too long, because I filmed the whole thing and I'm still kind of new at this thing, and with editing it's kind of harder, so I'm sorry about that. And yeah, so I thought if I'm doing the eyes, people are here for the eyes, the eye look, so I'll do my base, everything off camera and film just the eyes. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for you guys today. So like I said, I want to do kind of like smoky Christmassy look. So what I thought, which shades I could use, is I could go with my rides here. It's this black, if you can see. It's this black here. And then I thought I could do the cheese dust and the Illuminati. This one here. It's kind of like a greenish kind of colour. But then I was thinking as well about the conspiracy. It's this one here. It's like a lighter green kind of. It's more Christmassy, but then again, this is Christmassy as well. So I'm confused. I'll have more Christmassy looks up. So, I'll just go with the flow. So for the base, what I like to use is the Tanacon. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. But it's this one here. It's kind of like a nude brown. So I'll use that as my base. And yeah, we'll just see how everything goes. Okay, so I've done my base, and now what I'm thinking, I'm gonna go with my rides here is this black one, so I'm gonna go with that to get my my brain is not working. It's morning. I woke up like an hour ago and it's still not working. I'm sorry about that. But for my smoky eye, that's it. That's what I'm gonna use it. And yeah, we'll see how it goes and how it turns out. So yeah, keep on watching. Okay, so that is done. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the cheese dust. It's this one here, and I'm just gonna go over the black with it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes, how it turns out, and yeah. Okay, so I'll take that. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now this is the part I didn't kind of know which shade I'm gonna do. So I'm still kind of confused if the Illuminati and the conspiracy. So when you think about it, like conspiracy, it looks a bit more Christmassy. So I think I'm gonna go with that one. So I'll use that one there now. Oh wow, it's actually really nice. It's nice. Okay. Okay, I'm liking it. Okay. Because most of these colors, I swatched them. I didn't use all of them on my eyes yet. So, they're really good. And I'm loving it.
Okay, so I'll do the same thing for the other eye.
Okay, so I'm liking it. It's really nice. Okay. Yeah. So, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna take the conspiracy and I'm just gonna kind of apply it more in my corners on my eyes. I'm really liking it. Okay. So, I think I should add a bit more to this one here. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so now I'm just... Okay, I kind of cleaned it. Okay. So, I need to add a colour at the bottom. So, I think I'm gonna take my rides here and then blend it with cheese dust. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's with the palette done. So now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. But I'm gonna do kind of like a thin line of the eyeliner because I'm not gonna apply my lashes. I'm just gonna apply mascara. So I'm just gonna do kind of a thin eyeliner. Well, I'll try to. Okay, so that's the eyeliner done. So now I just need to curl my lashes and put the mascara on. So for the mascara, I'm going with Maybelline Last Sensational and MakeUp Forever. Okay, so I have finished my look and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, and I hope you do come back and watch my videos. I'll really appreciate it. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.